pops, baby. These Shorty levers are from TST Industries. They're Womet-Tech. They have the blue anodized adjustment lever. And I'm in the garage today because the weather is bad outside. I'm not trying to get the equipment wet, but I'm already sweating in here. I'm gonna try to make this quick. As far as installing the levers, I'm gonna leave a link in the description with the video that I use to install. So if you guys wanna follow along, use that video. I'm pretty much just gonna put in B-roll and some quick time lapses kind of thing, so you guys can see, you know, me doing it from my perspective. And after that, I'm gonna do a ride and review, see how it looks, see how it feels, and then you guys let me know in the comments how you like it. So I decided to start with the clutch lever. All right, so let me know what you guys think about the Womet-Tech Shorty levers. I think it looks great. All right, so we made it on the bike. Got the new levers on. They're looking good. The blue could be a little bit darker to match the bike better, but I think it works. Brings the bike together. Looks more complete. It feels good. I love the fact that you can adjust it on the fly. So if you feel like the lever's too far away from the handle, you can easily just adjust it. But can't wait till he gets an exhaust on this thing. Still have the stock exhaust. He really needs some grip pads, tank grip pads. I don't know how he rides, sliding all over the place. I can't grip this like I grip the R3. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of these Shorty levers. Think it was a good purchase, or if it was your bike, would you have rather keep the stock levers, or just what your opinion is on Shorty levers. Man, you can stay in first gear on the main streets on this thing. That's crazy. Let's hit the highway. I'm also using a new mic setup. Let me know how it sounds. Oh, that thing is sweet. That thing is sweet, huh? MT09. What? Oh yeah. That's sweet, bro. I like it. I like it. Oh man, I prefer the seating position of the R3 way more than this. As weird as it sounds, I feel like I have more control. This is gonna be fun. That's nice. I'm gonna have to put it in what's it called, standard mode for this. Where's he at? Where's he at? Bro, that's like a little go-kart. Man, it is hot as hell. I don't know how you can cruise on this thing and stay chill. This thing is too like playful and fast. Oh, this is gonna be a fun little turn right here. This would be more fun on my R3. Cause I gotta get used to this bike. We ain't doing too bad. Alright, so that's it for the video today. I forgot to record an outro on the way back home, but I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about the Shorty lever down in the comments. We're also 10 subscribers away from 1,500. I'm trying to hit 2,000 by the end of the year, so if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. I'm really gonna start pushing the quality of these videos, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm currently taking 5 classes right now, like an idiot, but you know, I'm just trying to get my degree as soon as possible. Any free time I have, I'm pretty much just working on videos. So thanks for watching again. Any video ideas, just comments, leave them down below. Make sure you like the video, and like I said, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm trying to hit 2,000 by the end of the year. I think I can do it if I just keep being consistent with the videos. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh shit, I don't think my wallet's in my bag. Ah, shit, it's not. Came to the gas station with no money.
Really, nigga?
That's fun.